Hello, my friends. Welcome to my class. So today we are going to study a bit part of grammar. Okay. So in grammar, like whatever you studied today, like in the past, so it was like simple sentences, new words, like phrases. So today I'm going to start about the gender. Okay. So gender, first of all, you should understand. Okay, that how many genders are there. So in English, masculine, feminine, and then neuter. So similarly here also we can say that all three genders are there. Okay, masculine, feminine, and then neuter. Okay, so here can you see on my screen, first picture you can see this is hen, right? Cock, hen, and then egg. So egg is, even we don't know that is masculine or feminine, right? So we know that this is hen, right? So this is feminine and this is masculine, right? Cook. So we will go about the Russian, okay, how they are using it. So we can say this is a bit class about the gender, right? In Hindi, ling. Okay, so gender is there. Let's change the color. We will see. Okay, so I'm just going slowly, and definitely you comment if anything you want more, or like all clear. So first of all you can see here, this is the city name, Moscow. What is written? Moscow, right? This you can Vologda. Okay, Vologda. So this one Omsk, right? Omsk. Hmm? Right, this one is there. So just erase. So first of all we will move directly to this word. Okay, this picture already I told you, this is masculine, feminine, and then neuter. Okay, I will just write for you. One moment. Let's change the color. Masculine, feminine, and then neuter. Okay, so this is male, female, and this is neuter, right? Kind of thing. So first of all we will see what is written here. First you can see this is Ivan. In English, Ivan, right? Ivan. This is dome. So dome is also ending is coming a, right? Or a ending will be masculine. Ivan, dome, but it is changed also, exceptions are there. So dome. So you can see home, park, 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 zavod, zavod, factory, factory, papa. Okay, but here you can see ending is a, so mostly a ending will be that a. Okay, a ending will be always feminine. Okay, but here exception you can see the papa. Papa is nothing but the father, right? So father will be always masculine, we cannot say that this is feminine. Okay, so this is masculine. I will erase it. Let's see. So I think you are clear here. This is masculine, feminine and this is neuter. So let's talk about the feminine. Okay, so feminine is first of all own is he. Okay, so he, that means masculine, right? We are using, and Anna is she, that we are using for the feminine, right? And then Anu we are using they, right? Or it, for it. Okay, like that. So it depends on situation to situation with how we are translating it. Now we can see here Anna. So Anna is female name. Komnata is room. So room is, you can see the ending is coming a, so a mostly will be feminine. Lampa, so lampa is also lamp, this is also feminine. Karta is nothing but map, so map will be also feminine. Mama, definitely mama is mother, so mother will be feminine. So these all are, it's coming under category Anna. Okay, C, right? Then he, here we can see few that ending will be o, right? Anu, so same like akno. So this is window will be, this is neuter gender. Okay, so neuter will be in the third category, right? Not even masculine, not feminine. So window, right? Malako, milk, right? Another fourth, right? Fourth, we are telling fourth but photo, right? This is photo, so photo is also neuter, right? So now you understood that how gender works, right? So mostly again I will just repeat it, but exceptional will be there, like papa endings is a but it is masculine, so you should remember it. Okay, now you can see only bukwa a, so will be there masculine. If a ending a, right, there is nothing like when pronunciation is coming Ivan, Dom, a, so it is coming like a, but when it is coming a, right, a, this is coming like this, the pronunciation Anna, Kumnata, Lampa, a is there, Karta, right, Mama. So this all will be feminine, masculine, and this is feminine. Now you can see o. Okay, o, so this will be neuter. Okay, this all will be neuter. Let's remove it. So this is the small part for the grammar, but you will learn slowly. First of all, you can see прочитайте текст и прокомментируйте на русском городах и вещи, right? So first of all, can you see, maybe this color. Okay, вот карта, what means here, karta means map. What is that? Map. So what you can translate it, here is map, right? Let's see another. Okay, это город Москва, это город Москва, это is this, город is city, Moscow become Moskva, right? So here this city is Moscow. What is that? Moscow. Это город Волгоград. Vologda. What is that? Vologda. So eta is again same. Here you can see all same, right? So here this one and this one is same, right? Volagda is city name. So what we will write? This city is Vologda. What is it? Vologda. Eta Gorod Omsk. So what is correct translation is? This city is Omsk. What is that? Omsk. Eta Gorod. See the where stress are there. Can you see this one? Gorod, 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 right? Vologda, right? Moskva. Where is the stress? One on A last. Moskva. O becomes a here a Omsk. This is Omsk. Okay. Next, let's go another. What is written here? Okay. Now we will see what is the sentence. Komnata already you know. This is room, right? Room. So eta komnata. What will be the correct translation? Eta is this is room, right? Or you can write in the small. Okay, room. This is room. Tam stol is stool, right? Stol is stool. So you know the meaning earlier also. Tam means there, right? I'll just write here the correct translation. Then I will erase it. Tam means there. There is stol means table. There is table. One second. Let me erase it. There is table and E means and, right? And chair. Okay. So this is table and then chair. Okay. Stool. This one. Stool is this one. I will just erase this whole thing. Later you can see what stool. What is that? What stool? Tooth sumka. So this is stool. Sorry. Stool is chair. Correct. So what stool? What means here. So here is chair. And then tooth sumka. Tooth means there. What is that? There. I will just write here. Maybe here. Okay. Translation. There is, what is that? Bag. There is bag. Sumka is bag. Eta stole. Eta stole. Stress is on A. Eta is this. This is table. Right? That table is like for dinner or maybe study, you can say. Tooth soup. What is that? This is soup. Soup means there is soup, right? Soup is soak is here. Soup dash is nothing but and. Soup, soup, soak, soak is here. Soak, soak is juice, right? Juice and sear is cheese. CHEES, right? Cheese, right? Soak is juice. So now you learn here. This is Komnata is feminine, right? Gender. Sumka is also that buko is a, so that will be also feminine. Stole will be masculine, right? Masculine. Soup will be also masculine. Seer will be also masculine, right? Let's see the another part. We will go. Okay, one by one. Let it be. So you learned now. See, now you need to read. Okay, Eta Ivan. Ivan is masculine, right? That ending is a what? A. But on doma, right? Dom is again masculine. On doma. So that means again here masculine, right? Eta mama. So that will be again mama will be feminine. Eta mama. So this is mother. On doma. So he is at home. Eta Ivan. Okay, this is Ivan. Anadoma. Anadoma. So that means she is at home. She is at home. Anadoma. She is at home. Eta lampa will be feminine, right? This is lamp, right? Voth Anna. Anna will be also feminine, right? Voth means here. Here is she, right? Here is she. Voth Malako. So Malko will become neuter gender, right? Voth Malko. So here is milk, right? Anno tooth. Anno means it is there. It is there, right? Anu means anu means it, or sometimes they, we use a situational. Phota tam. Phota is o. Photo, this is also neuter. So photo is there. Photo is there. The anatam. Yes, it is there. So that means this is a question. Question. Sorry. Let me just correct it. So is photo there, right? So answer is that. I will just erase it here, space are not there. So the anutam. So yes, anu is neuter, right? So it, right? Yes, it is there. Correct. Let's erase it. We'll move to another page. Let's see. Now you have some new words maybe, or the old word. Okay, so you need to identify which is the masculine, which is the feminine, right? So let's go again. I will just change the color so it will be easy. Okay, so first of all, Brath is nothing but brother, masculine, right? I'm just first of all masculine, feminine. Padruga is girlfriend, will be feminine. Stole, masculine. Photo, neuter. Stool will be again masculine. This is look like neuter, but this will come under masculine. Drug will be masculine. Dom will be masculine. Javod will be masculine, right? Park will be masculine. Grupa will be feminine, right? Because ending is a. Aknu is o, will be neuter. Riba will be feminine. Fish. Soup will be masculine. Kumnata feminine. Lampa feminine. Malako neuter. Bukwa again feminine. Papa will be masculine. This is an exceptional. Papa is father, right? Strana will be feminine. Country, right? Country. Gorad masculine. Slava will be neuter. Sin will be masculine. Son. Sabaka will be feminine. Okay, Sabaka, right? Quoth, cat, masculine. Bank will be masculine. Look like this is neuter, but here don't go as per the okay word meaning. So it is all as per the ending. Okay, Aftobus masculine. Raskaz masculine. Sumka feminine. Sir masculine. Tort masculine. Vada will be feminine, right? I will just tell you now the meaning, word meaning of all. Okay, So now you got to know which one is the masculine, which one is the feminine, right? So let's come, and then later you identify that which one is the masculine and which one is the feminine, right? So I'll write for you the word meaning. Okay, so here just let me change the color so it will mix up with the same. Brother, brother, brath is brother, padruga is girlfriend, girlfriend, stool is table. What is that? Ah, yes, table. One moment. Table, right? Photo will be photo, right? Stool will be chair. Drug is friend. Dome is home. Javod is factory. Park is park, like same in English, right? Grupa is group, right? Group of people. Akno is window, right? Riva is fish, right? Soup is soup, SUP, right? Soup, how you are like taking when you are feeling the cold. Homnata is room. Okay, maybe sometime my word meaning will be wrong, okay, but you can correct it. Lamp, lampa is lamp. Malko is milk. Bukwa is later, right? Papa is father. I'm just telling it the word meaning also. Strana is country, country. Gorad is town or city, right? Slava is word. Sin, sun. Sabaka, what is that? Dog. Koth, cat. Bank is bank. What is that? Bank. Bank. Aftobus. We are also telling bus, right? Bush, bush, right? Raska, story. Sumka is bag. Sirit, cheese. Tot is cake. Vada is water, right? Now you can see here brath. Brath is own. Own is masculine. Vada. Vada is feminine. Water, right? So this will come the feminine. Sorry. Okay. So you can note down. Okay. So let's move. This all thing will come later. So see, this is related to again that gender. Okay. So let's come to the point here. First dialogues are there. Okay. So we will read it what it is. Okay. So first of all, can you see here on the screen? There is one lady sitting inside, and then one person is standing in front of the door. Okay. So what he is asking? Mojna. Mojna. That means Mojna. This one. Mojna, that means may I, right? So Mojna, that means in the situational Mojna, may I come in, like that. Okay. So may I come in, okay, like that. Question. Mojna, may I, okay, may I, like that. So that means inside that lady is telling Pajalusta, please. Pajalusta, the word meaning here is please, right? Then here can you see we Anna Ivanovna, we Anna Ivanovna, we is you, respectfully. So asking the question, are you Anna Ivanovna? So that is Anna Ivanovna is name. Okay, are you Anna Ivanovna? Right? Question mark. So da eta ya. So what she is telling? Yes. Okay. This is me. Right? This is me. Ya is I. Yes. So it will become me in the correct translation. Yes, this is me, or yes, I am, like that. Right? Yes, I am. Okay, like that. Then again she is telling Pazalusta. Pazalusta. That means please. That means not only please, please come in the situational. Right? Please come. Right? So he can go inside. Let me erase it. Let me change the color. So again, это ты бабушка. Okay. So это ты бабушка. So that means one girl is there and then she is indicating that in that picture. Okay, maybe that young age picture is there. So she is asking, "Это ты бабушка?" That means question mark. So "это" is this, right? T means you, okay, and babushka is grandmother, okay. So that means so in the situational, is this you grandmother, okay, grandmother, question mark, right? Then Daya, so what is she answering? Yes, da is yes, I, right? Pravda, so again see that girl, small girl is asking question. Pravda, that means truth, like that, okay. So she is asking, is it truth or is it truth? Question mark. Okay. Now can you see кто это? What is that? Кто это? Кто is who? Это is this. So who is this? Right? Question mark. So это я. What is that? This is I. Okay. Or this is me. This is me or this is I, like that. Okay. Кто это? Again question mark is there. Who is this? Who is this? Right? Это мы. Это мы. Мы means we. Right? So this. So what will it? We are. We are. Это is we are. Это is this. So the situational we are. Это мы. Okay. So we are. What is the question? Кто там? Who is there? So your answer, это я, можно. Это я, можно. That means this is me or it is me. Можно, можно is again here, можно. May I? So that means maybe she will again. So again, пожалуйста. So what is that? Please. Right? Please. Let me remove all. Okay. So another one. Can you see кто это? Again, who is this? Right? Это Антон. So this is so not like this, not this is. So question is here это Антон, like that. Это Антон, question mark is there. So is this Антон? Question mark. Да это он. So da means yes. Это means this is he. Right? Or yes, he is. Right? Like that. So let's move down. What is that? Kto это? Okay, это мой брат. So кто это? Who is this? Right? Это мой брат. So that means this is my brother. Right? So кто это? Again question. Who is this? Who is? So maybe his brother. Okay. Or maybe in the photo he is telling. Okay. Who is he? Who is this? Question mark. Это моя подруга. So that means asking. Maybe he is asking from. So это моя подруга. So this is my girlfriend. Right? This is my girlfriend. So Maya is my. It is changing grammatically. Padruga is girlfriend. Okay, girlfriend. So now let's move little down. Okay, now you can see again this picture. On, Anna, Anu. So on, that is he, Anna is she, and then Anu is it. So now you can see the example. Papa. Papa is father. Right? So this is masculine. What is that? Masculine. So moi papa. So whenever I am telling my father, so moi is my, right? Moi is word meaning my, and this is also moi is my. Moi papa, moi brat, moi dom, moi gorad. So brat is brother, right? So when you are putting or adding this word, okay, moi, so moi is my, like that, and then word meaning papa, brat is brother, dom is home, so my home, gorad is my city, my town, okay, like that. So here this you understood. Now let's go the another how we are using it. Okay, so masculine how we are going to use in the sentence, and then so very small sentences. So Anna is she. Okay, so here it was he. Okay, here Anna. So Maya. So grammatically moi becomes Maya. So moi, whenever it is moi, right, it is my, and then this is Maya. Maya become also my, but this is Maya will be for feminine. This is for masculine, and this is for feminine. So here what is that? Mama. Mama is feminine already, mother, right? So Maya mama. Maya padruga. Padruga is girlfriend, right? Here Maya komnata. So komnata is room, right? So my room. Here Maya strana. Maya strana is country, my country, right? My country. Here last, can you see that how we are using the neuter gender? Okay, so neuter gender how it is going to change, so you will learn. This is he, she, and then it. Okay, so here can you see this was the moi, this is Maya, and this is Mayo, right? What is that? Mayo. So Mayo is also my. Mayo meaning is my. So Mayo photo. Okay, the ending are o. Akno, Yavlaka, right? So photo is photo, my photo, right? Akno is my window, right? My window, right? And Yavlaka is apple, right? Right? My apple, like that. So now you understood that how grammatically it is going to change when we are making the sentence. Okay, so in the masculine will be moi, feminine will be Maya, and then neuter will be Mayo, right? So I believe today you had very good class. Let me check if I can go ahead like little more or like we can stop here. Okay, so maybe one sentence we can, or maybe two paragraphs, small paragraph is there. Okay, can you see here? Czytajcie tekści kaziwajcie. Okay, here na ruski to o czym czytajcie. Это я. So this is me or it is me, like that. Okay, это я. So this is me. Вот мой дом. So what? Moi is masculine. We are using moi dom. Okay, if we are writing here komnata, then it will change maya. Maya komnata. Right? Maya komnata. Because this is komnata is feminine, and with the feminine it will be maya. But here you can see this dome is masculine. So masculine will be voth. Voth means here is my home. What will be the correct translation? Here is my home. Tooth mayo akno. So here can you see it becomes mayo. What becomes? Mayo. Mayo, and the meaning will be my. So tooth means there. There is my window. Right? You can see in the picture. He is telling there is my window. Let me erase it, or maybe I can write in the later. Tam maya komnata. What I told? Maya komnata. Okay, so moi becomes maya. Moi is my, right? But it will change always, right? As per the grammatical and then gender. So gender here is tam maya komnata. That means tam maya komnata. So there is my room. So this become again maya. Let's see the few more sentences here. Now it is getting changed. So then you will learn that how perfectly eta ya. So that means again this is me, right? Eta moi papa I maya mama. See here, this is also meaning my, and this is also meaning my, but this is moi and this is maya, right? And if you come in the correct translation, eta moi papa. So this is my father and my mother, right? I am telling you, maybe my handwriting is like little going dirty. Okay, let me erase it, but I will write you. Okay, maybe it will be easy for you. Okay, this is me, first sentence, right? This is me, and this is my father and my mother, right? Now can you see eta moi brat, eta maya babushka? Can you see how it is? Eta moi brat, that means this is my brother. Eta maya babushka, that means babushka is grandmother. So babushka, that means in the photo she is telling, okay, this is my grandmother, right? So here grandmother is feminine, so that is becomes maya. Moi brat is masculine, that's why becomes moi, right? See padruga again. Okay, eta maya padruga. Okay, so eta is padruga is feminine, so this is my girlfriend. Hmm? Eta moi drug. So here become, this is my girlfriend and this is drug. Drug is friend. So here will be, this is my friend, right? So moi becomes maya when you are using feminine and when masculine, and then when neuter is there, then it will be mayo, right? So I believe today we had a very good session. Repeat it at your home and then just try to learn, and then remember the all grammatical part, how it is getting changed if you are seriously learning the Russian language. So I wish you that you could learn in easy method and then correctly. So this is grammatical part in Russian will be really difficult, but you can learn what I am teaching you. So this is the easy way to learn any language. Okay. So thank you so much, and please visit to my channel for more classes, and if you like, then please write me in the comments, so it will boost my confidence. Okay, thank you.